Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we're taking a look at the brand new Huawei Mate X Pro. Yes, this might be your next laptop. I'm serious. This thing is absolutely wonderful. It's a slick looking device. It looks beautiful. But there are a couple of things that Huawei has done from the Mate X from last year to the Mate X Pro to make this device really something worth taking note of. First off is the display. It's got a lovely 3000 by 2000 display, and as you can see, super thin bezels, which means the screen to body ratio is about 91%. Looks absolutely stunning on this thing, and which makes for something that just really looks nice altogether. Now you've got a nice fleshed out keyboard, a massive trackpad that's really smooth, of course, with this device. Some will say it kind of looks like a MacBook. I will not deny that there. But in terms of what you get in this device, it's powered by Intel Core i7 or Core i5 processor, 7th generation. You can get up to 512 gigabytes of NVMe storage. You can also get up to 16 gigabytes of RAM on this device. And it has a dedicated GPU with the NVIDIA MX1, the 105, the 150, 105, but it's on screen there. That being said though, this thing can do some work for you. It is a really nice looking device, nice and trim, 2.93 pounds, about 14.3 millimeters in thickness. This thing is really portable, and with that you get about 12 hours of battery life on there. So it's got a nice big battery to last you for pretty much your whole work day, which is absolutely fantastic on this device. Now you've got two USB Type-C ports, a headphone jack, but sadly there is no a micro SD or SD card slot, which I was hoping would be on this device, but they do have a bunch of accessories for you. Now, besides that, they have some really cool features built in. So you've got, of course, security features with a fingerprint sensor using Windows Hello. So that is really nice there. And also the webcam, as you can see, it's got really thin bezels, is kind of missing, right? Well, not necessarily, because once you hit that you hit the button between 5 and 6, it pops up actually your webcam, and it's a very interesting location. We'll see how well that works altogether. But I really like what this device brings to the table. It's priced at about $1,800 or so starting. So in terms of things in this category, I think it's well priced. We'll have to see how it performs when we get our hands on it to spend more time in our full review. But stay tuned for that, guys. And if you have any questions or any comments about the new Huawei Mate X Pro, let us know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and once you do, hit the notification icon to get notified about the latest videos, and always enjoy your entertainment.